Can artificial intelligence truly replace the human element? In the realm of creation, the human touch imprints a unique soul. But algorithms can now generate beauty, mimicking creativity with flawless precision.
In logic and computation, AI offers unparalleled efficiency and accuracy.
Processing vast datasets and solving complex equations is AI's domain. Even in games of strategy, where intellect reigns supreme, AI now challenges human mastery.
Its calculated moves, devoid of emotion, can be devastatingly effective.
But can an algorithm understand empathy, the nuance of human connection?
AI can offer support, analyze patterns, but can it truly feel?
Human creativity thrives on intuition, on moments of unexpected inspiration.
AI creates, based on learned parameters, a complex mosaic of existing data.
The spark of true genius, the leap into the unknown, remains uniquely human.
Yet, AI's capacity for learning and adaptation is accelerating at an unprecedented rate. Humans are flawed, vulnerable, capable of great joy and deep sorrow. AI operates on logic, its decisions driven by data, not sentiment. Humanity's strength lies in its shared experiences, its capacity for collective understanding.
AI can be an unparalleled tool, augmenting human capabilities. It can help us solve problems previously insurmountable.
In fields requiring compassion and nuanced judgment, like medicine, the human touch remains essential.
AI can analyze diagnostics with incredible speed, identifying patterns imperceptible to the human eye.
But the essence of being human is found in connection, in shared emotions and understanding.
AI offers a perspective unclouded by emotion, a purely logical viewpoint. The human spirit is defined by its resilience, its ability to find hope in darkness.
AI excels at tasks that are repetitive, requiring unwavering consistency.
The unpredictable spark of human creativity remains distinct from algorithmic generation.
As AI advances, we face profound ethical questions about its role and our future. AI can venture where humans cannot, expanding our reach into the unknown.
But crucial decisions, those with moral weight, demand human judgment and accountability.
AI can sift through data, identify correlations, and propose hypotheses, accelerating discovery.
Human ingenuity shines brightest in times of crisis, adapting and overcoming.
Automation driven by AI can free humanity from drudgery.
But human responses are not always predictable. They are driven by a complex tapestry of emotions.
The future likely lies not in replacement, but in collaboration.
What then is the irreplaceable essence of humanity?
Perhaps it is our capacity for love, for creativity, for imperfect, beautiful existence that AI